In the planning and configuring phase, you define and configure the automation components required and assure coordinated cooperation of the various members of the project team. Help in planning is provided by the electronic catalogue CA01, the ordering documentation and planning tool in one. Simply enter the specifications, for example the number of inputs and outputs of your machine or plant, and the integrated configurator automatically composes the automation components required. That then is your order list. You can import the configuration data into the SIMATIC software. Your hardware configuration is then produced automatically, and you can immediately assign parameters to the modules. To make optimum use of the time, you can set various members of your team to work on the automation project at the same time. The SIMATIC software permits distributed processing of sub-projects by different people. Fusion of the sub-projects into one at a later date is then system supported. Another fundamental activity at the beginning of a project is definition of the variables. SIMATIC software supports you here with a convenient symbol editor. You use this to define the symbols for your entire project. All tools can access this common database, so you save time and avoid possible sources of error and inconsistencies. You can conveniently make a graphical configuration of the network topology of your automation solution. Here, the communication connections between the separate stations are clearly shown. No matter whether you are using Profibus, Industrial Ethernet or Profinet, you enter the required parameters like bus node addresses quite simply via masks.